Welcome back, it's Chris here. Today I'm working on another customer repair. This time it's the JVC XL R5000. The customer reported issues with the right side of this CD recorder with the tray not opening, so I'm going to check it out. First, I'm testing the CD player side just to be sure it's all good. Let's see. The trays are opening and closing fine, no issues with reading the discs. And the music sounds great. Oh yeah, I want to copy this CD. So let's try to copy a CD on this unit. Well, so much for that idea. It looks like the tray's not opening at all, which means I'll probably have to replace the belt on that tray for the CD recorder. Alright, let's take out the CDs from the CD changer portion, and then let's replace the belt for the CD recorder. Now, to get to the belt, we'll need to remove these screws and pop out the top cover from this unit. Now, to get to it, still gotta take out the screws that secures the shield for the CD recorder drive. Now, I just gotta slide out the tray, slip out the old belt, install a new belt, and bingo, new belt installed. And now let's give it a quick test. Seems to be a perfect fit. And now look at that, closes just fine now. Let's put it back together, put the screws back in there, and test it before I pop the cover back on. Alright, sounds good. Let's close it up. One final test. Tray open, check. Tray closed, check. Reading the CD, also check. Perfect. And that's another customer repair done. We offer repair services like this for vintage audio and video equipment. If you're interested, please check out our website, SpenCertified.com. We'll put a link to the repairs page in the description below. Be sure to also like and subscribe if you haven't yet. Thank you for watching.